Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not connected to Epic online services. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just first open your task manager and then go to details, and here scroll down until you find Rocket League, and when you find it, just let's say that this is Rocket League. Just click on right click and click in task, and after that go to settings, privacy, scroll down. Here you'll find background apps. Turn it off. Make sure, maybe find it like that, just turn it off, and then sign out from your account and sign in again, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.